Oh, there's one. Welcome back to the channel. This is Hoosierback Outdoors. My name is Ben. We've come out to the ponds today and we're going to try to catch anything that bites. I might even throw a trout magnet just to see if I can get some bluegill. I just want to get some fishing in. I've got maybe an hour, hour and a half to get this done, so we'll see how many fish we can catch in this limited amount of time that we have. I want to remind you, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Reach down, hit that red subscribe button. It would be much appreciated and you'll enjoy it. Also, hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time we post a new video and you won't miss out on a thing. Might have a little wind noise today. There is a slight breeze, but we're going to try to fish this pond and this pond here in front of me, and we will see what we can catch. So stay tuned. We are going to start off with the Ned rig, and that's got some grass on it. That needs to be fixed here. Now, we're going to try the Ned rig here for a minute. Switched it up a little bit here. I've put one of these Z-Man swim baits on a Ned head. We had some success on this last time here, so we'll try it again here now. Throw it right across this corner. Maybe there's a fish in there that's interested. One thing about this bait too is you can cover a lot of water in a short amount of time. There was a knot. Got it out. There's one. Oh, it's a little fish. That's a little bitty fish. Oh, I think that was a crappie. I believe that was a crappie. Little bitty fish. Wow. Let's see if we can get another one to bite from over there. About 15 foot off the bank from that side. Okay. Let's go try around here at this other side. Well, while I wasn't filming, I caught a bluegill on the trout magnet. Oh my goodness. I'm just losing it lately. Got one. Got one. Oh, this is a nice one. Nice one. Well, I caught another one. I'm not even sure I got the first one on camera. There's a nice bluegill. Pretty colors. Really pretty colors. Nice feller. Such a pretty fish. Okay, okay. Trap magnet it is, so we don't get skunked. I don't care what kind of fish it is. I like catching fish. Oh, there's one. Another one. Another one. Right in front of me. Wow, they've got really bright colors out of here. I don't remember them having this bright of colors. Wow, nice little bluegill. A little bit of black pigment back here on his back fin. Beautiful bluegill. Wow, what a pretty fish. Well, there's two in less than 4 minutes. on the trout magnet out of the same spot. See if there's another one in here. I'm sure there probably is. Oh, there's one. Hey, that's that is not a bluegill, and he just came off. That is hilarious. Look at this giant giant largemouth bass. What a big old fish. I mean, this feller is tiny. We could use him for bait. A nice little largemouth. All right, let's put him back. Wow, what a cool fish. There's one. Yeah. Another nice bluegill. Heck yeah. Nice little bluegill. They're all about the same size. I'd like to catch some big fat ones. That's cool. Let's try right over here in this shallow pond. I have a feeling there'll be more over here, and they're about to tear my trout magnet up. Probably ought to redo it. I think I will. Okay, this pond here is really shallow. It's not over my head anywhere in the pond, and especially even more shallow now because of how little rain we've had. We've about a 4-inch deficit for the month of June, so we're pretty far behind. We'll try it here though. There's one. Ooh, it's a bluegill, but it's a different color. Doesn't have the bright colors of the ones that we just caught. Wow. Let's see if there's another one in here. Oh my. Oh yeah, there's a fish. That's a bass. Another bass on the trout magnet. Their bite is so different from those bluegill. Look how small that is. Little feller. Little bitty largemouth. Tiny. Oh my goodness. Throw him back. Before I leave today, I have to try some topwater. Because as I was standing over there just now, these fish were busting on the surface up close to the edge. I have a feeling they were bass. So we're going to throw this Strike Pro Swing Pop 85 on there. I got this in Carl's mystery tackle box in the month of May, I believe. I'm pretty sure it was May's mystery tackle box. So far, I have really liked Strike Pro jerk baits. I've had great success with those this year. That's the jerk bait. Caught some really nice fish on it this year out of these ponds. It seemed like they really liked it. So we'll try this topwater and see if we can wrangle a fish out of here with this swing pop. Only fish I have caught on topwater this year has been back in mid to early April. I'll put a card up here at the top of the screen for that video. But it was very shocking, very shocking. Caught it on a frog. As it was a time of the year where it's pretty cool and topwater bite isn't normally what you would be fishing. There's a spot down here where in this corner the wind has blew a bunch of stuff up on the surface close to the bank, and I see some fish busting down here. I'll come down here and throw up in that and see if we can get a bite out of it. Maybe where the bass are, it's feeding up. There's a turtle. Just went under. See if we can throw up over there. Ah, that'll work. That'll work. Oh, there's one. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, he's running toward me. Oh, did you see that? Here he is, here he is, here he is. Oh my goodness. What a topwater bite. Oh, flip. Oh my goodness. First bass on the Strike Pro swing pop. And he hammered it. Good looking bass, post spawn. You can see here how his belly's all flat. Wow, I mean, that fish smoked that bait. Wow. Great, great, great fish. Wow, what a way to end a fishing session. I mean, that was excellent. Didn't catch anything at first, then switched to the trout magnet, caught a whole bunch of little bitty things, and then tried some topwater there at the end with a really, really decent bass. Remember, if you like this kind of thing, reach down there and hit that subscribe button. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. Give us a great big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.